I thought I'd be really brave and try singing a Taiwanese song. Last time I was here at Kaohsiung, I performed The Moon Represents My Heart at the World Games, which was an amazing experience. Time around I should learn a new song and I heard this one, I found it on the internet and just fell in love with it. It's Flowers in the Rain. I hope to be performing that song again.